We really believe that everybody out there has an X factor to them. Everybody has something that's unique, that stands out. And now is the time, like one of our mottos is, you have a voice and it deserves to be heard. And you're a storyteller. And it's time for people to share their stories, to feel really good about what they're doing, to make good money, of course, because it's a business, but to really enjoy life. And we've got to stop following trends. We've got to stop worrying about what everybody thinks this idea of this company is or something. If you find your passion, your why, right? And you just do it, it just resonates.